our Lavandin and Rosemary Soap, available in 2 sizes. This is our 60-gram format in the daisy shape. It's available in our organza bag, and we have the 100-gram in our box, which is in the shape of a sunflower. So this soap is made up of coconut oil, olive oil, avocado, almond seed oil, and also has cocoa and shea butters in. It's a little bit different in that it's got little pieces of lavender and rosemary running all the way through it, and that will give a very, very slight exfoliation. And it's got those beautiful Lavandin, rosemary and tea tree essential oils. So this is perfect to use together with our reinvigorating body oil with the Lavandin rosemary tea tree. It gives a gentle lather and it's very good for both your face and your body. So that is our Lavandin and Rosemary Soap.
Flor y Amor.